Welcome to IB.
Alright, I'm back for another lesson. The last meeting, we have done the commission. For today, we're going to talk about the piecework. Let's have first the meaning of piecework pay. So when we say piecework pay, it is a compensation system where employees are paid based on the number of units or tasks they complete, rather than by the hour or a fixed salary. The formula in computing piecework pay is total pay is equal to items times rate. Imagine you have 350 shirts with a rate of 12 pesos per shirt. Again, the formula in getting the total pay under piecework pay is the total items times the rate. So in this case, 350 shirts will be our items and 12 pesos will be our rate. So with that, we have 350 times 12 pesos. So let's calculate it. 350 times 12. The answer is 4,200. So meaning your total piecework pay will yield to 4,200. Right now your turn. I'll give you 15 seconds to do this. Your timer starts now. Okay, time's up. Alright, so let's check your answer. So in this example, you have 500 mugs as your item and 8 pesos for your rate. So again, the formula for the total pay of piecework pay is items times rate. The total pay is equal to 500 mugs times 8 pesos. Let's try to compute it. 500 times 8. 500 times 8 is equal to 4,000 pesos. With that in mind, we can say that their total piecework pay under 500 mugs with 8 pesos rate will be 4,000 pesos. Alright, now let's try to put it in application. Let's try to solve problems in accordance with what we have learned. So let's read the problem. Karen sewed dresses and is paid 25 per piece. In 1 week, she completes 400 dresses. What is her total pay? So let's write all the given. The item she completed is 400 dresses. And the rate per dress is 22 pesos. For the formula, in getting the total pay, items times rate. For the solution, total pay 400 times 322 pesos. Let's try to compute this. To compute, oh wait a second, 22. 400 times 22 equals 8,800. So our total pay is, current total pay will be 8,800. Alright, now it's your turn. Can you try to do this for 25 seconds? Your timer starts now. Alright, time's up. Now let's check your answer. Let's analyze the problem first. Ben is paid 15 pesos per product. If he makes over 300 products, he gets a 500 pesos bonus. He produced 320 products. How much did he earn? Let's write all the given first. Given. So, the given, the items, we have a total of 320. And the rate is equal to 15 pesos. And it says here that if he makes over 300 products, he gets a 500 pesos bonus. And as you can see here, he makes over 300 products. Why? Because he produced 320 products. That's why he has a bonus. So additional or bonus of Ben will be 500 pesos. Now, let's move on to the formula. The formula for piecework pay is total pay equal to items times rate. Now let's put it in a solution. Let's apply the formula. Total pay there you go. Total pay is equals 320 times 15 plus 500. Why plus 500? Because we need to add the bonus. Plus bonus. So 320 times 15 equals 4,800. 4,800 plus 500 pesos. The total pay of Ben will be 5,300. That's it. I hope you got it correctly. Thank you for listening. See you in our next lesson. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.